Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to insert table, draw a table, insert Excel sheet, delete the table, table style option and table style. Now first we will see how to insert table. Now if you are selecting a new slide like this, then it is going to give some like title and heading. So if you want to know more about how to insert a new slide with a different options, there is a separate video available. Now if you are selecting this kind of slide, now it has some options readily available, that is a shortcuts. You can use that. Just click on the insert table. It will ask you how many columns and how many rows. Just select the columns and rows and click OK. Once you click OK, it will give you a table. So this is a one way to insert a table inside your PowerPoint presentation. Another way is, you want, if you are selecting a like this, then now you don't have anything inside your slide, the slide is blank. At that time you have to go inside insert tab. There is a table option available, just click over there. Now from here you can select as per your requirement. Now this one is 2 by 1, that means the two columns and the one row. First one is the column multiplied by row. So how many rows and columns you want, you can select as per your requirement, just like this. And you can use the table over here. Once you select the table, it will get inserted inside your PowerPoint presentation. Now here you can see, when the table is inserted in your PowerPoint presentation, it gives you option of table tools, which consist of design and the layout. Now in design, you can see here a table style option and the table style. First we will see the table style option. Now here there is options available, the header row, total row, banded row. So for this side is for the row and this side is for the column. Now the header row means the topmost row which you have inside your table. Now if you are uncheck it, the highlighted portion of header row is removed like this. Now if you check it, it will get highlighted. Now if you want a total row, that means the topmost row and the bottommost row will get highlighted like this. Now the banded rows. Now if you uncheck the banded rows, all the colors of your rows will be same, and if you check the banded rows, the alternate gets highlighted like this. Now that is the use of header row, total row and the banded row. Next one is the first column. If you want to highlight the first column of your table, then check it like this, it will get highlighted. Then if you want to highlight the last column of your table, just click on the last column, it will get highlighted. Next one is the banded column. So if you click on the banded column, alternate columns gets highlighted. Now here you can see I have checked the banded rows, so that the banded rows and banded column create some confusion. If you uncheck the banded rows, you can see the row columns are highlighted in alternate manner. So that is the use of table style option. Next one is the table style. Here you can see multiple options available. If you move your cursor over there, you can see the preview of that style. So just select whichever style you want and it will get applied. Next one is the clear table. If you don't want any style, just select the clear table and it will get removed like this. So that is the use of table style option. Now if you have created one big table and inside that table you want to, some cell to be with a different color, then select, click your over there like this on that cell, click on the shading and give a color whichever you want. So in this way you can give a different colors just by using the shading. Now inside a shading there is a more options available, the pictures, gradients, the texture and the table background. So if you want, you can give the textures to it like this. If you want a gradient, there are multiple options available. You can see the preview inside your table. If you want a picture inside some cell, you can also insert a picture over there. So there are multiple options available inside a shading. Next one is the border. Now you can see I have put my cursor on that cell. The options which I am going to use is applied only to that cell. If I am using the all borders, it will apply to only that cell. Now if I want all borders to my table, then I have to select the table first. click on the borders, click on the all borders. So in this way you can use multiple borders options available here. If you want a diagonal one, you can use the diagonal one. Next one is the, if you want all borders like this. Now next one is the effect. If you want a different effects to your table, you can use this. So if you want to remove it, just select no, and if you want any effect, you can just select like this. Now there are three options available, you can select as per your requirement. So that is the use of table style option and the table style. Next one is the how to insert the Excel sheet. Now if you want to insert a Excel sheet, then you have to go to the insert, click on the table. Now here you can see Excel spreadsheet, just click over there. Once you click over there, the Excel sheet gets inserted. Now here you can see I can extend that Excel sheet. Inside a PowerPoint presentation, you can see the different tabs which are available inside your Excel. So here you can add a different data, and you can calculate the whichever thing you want. It's very easy and very useful thing if you want something inside a PowerPoint just like a Excel. So that is the use of Excel. Now if you want to delete that Excel, just select it and delete it. Just press delete button and it will get deleted like this. Now if you want to delete the normal table, just select the table and press the delete button. So that is very easy to delete the table. So in this video what we have learned, how to insert and delete the table, how to insert the Excel sheet, table style option and table style. Thank you.